Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.